Chery's ultra-low wind resistance concept car was also exhibited for the first time with the world's leading ultra-low wind resistance coefficient CD 0.168. The new fluid shaping application, hollow design optimization and multi-chassis airflow and aerodynamic kit patented technologies enable Chery's ultra-low wind resistance concept car to achieve a perfect balance between lightness, low wind resistance and maneuverability, enabling the mass production of the more breathable low wind resistance concept. This car is not only a technology feast, but also a tasting event for global users. A more open, comfortable and colorful new experience to appreciate the achievements of technological innovation. Chery has always been committed to daring to exceed and surpass, and to realizing the desires and love of global Chery users and fans. In the future, with the dream of serving the country through industry, Chery will continue to explore and innovate core technologies and cutting-edge technologies, pursue cutting-edge technology with perseverance and reliability, seize the opportunities of the times, enter a new era of intelligence, and lead the upward development of Chinese automobile brands.